Hi, my name is Dr. Marcy and I'd like to show you how to turn an appliance called a palatal expander. This appliance is typically bonded to the top back teeth and is used to widen the top jaw. This is done either to fix a crossbite or help create space for alignment of the teeth. First, I'd like to show you how the appliance works outside the mouth. This entire appliance is called a banded rapid palatal expander. It's bonded to the adult molars and consists of what's called a high rack screw. Taking a closer look at the screw, you'll see three horizontal bars. The front and back are support bars to help guide placement of the key, and the middle bar is a screw that is activated by a perforated cylinder in the center. The expander key consists of a plastic handle and metal tip that can rotate. Notice that there is a bend on the key to prevent you from inserting it too far into the expander. Now let me show you how to do a turn. Start by preparing your key. Have the metal portion at a small angle to the plastic handle. Insert the key with firm pressure into the hole of the expander, remembering that you can't place it too far because of the bend in the key. With firm but gentle pressure, push the key towards the back of the expander until you can't go any further. This will make the next hole visible for the turn the following night. When removing the key, be sure to remove the key towards the back of the mouth so that you don't reverse the turn that you just completed. The two most common problems you may have in making a turn are first, doing an incomplete turn, where you don't turn the key all the way towards the back of the expander. The problem is that the next hole won't be visible to do your turn the next night. The next most common problem is, after you've completed the turn, removing the key and reversing some of the turn that you've just done. Again, it will make it so that the hole is not visible for your turn the following night. So now that you've seen how an expander works, let me show you the best technique to complete a turn for your child. It's very important to visualize the expander properly, so what you want to do is have your child lay back, either on the couch or on a bed, and make sure that you choose a room with good lighting, or have your child hold the flashlight to help you visualize. Next, what you'd like to do is have your child tip their chin up towards the ceiling, almost as if they're trying to look behind them so that you can see the expander properly. Prepare your key by having the metal portion at a 45-degree angle to the plastic handle. I'll get you to open. What you want to do is insert the key into the hole with firm pressure. Remember that there's a bend in the key that will prevent you from pushing it too far. Now that the key is inserted, complete your turn by pushing the handle towards the back of the mouth until you can't go any further. Make sure you can visualize the next hole ready for a turn the next night, and remove the key with gentle pressure towards the back of the mouth. So that's how you turn an expander. I do realize it's tricky for the first couple of days until you get used to the technique, so make sure you call our office if you're having any problems.